What's up, guys? Today's video is going to be a little different. Today I am cleaning off this deck. We'll be doing this for a while, then I'm going to stain it, and then I got to tackle those trees eventually sometime this week. Maybe you'll see that, maybe you won't. Put the camera on, you can watch the time lapse. Well, this is fun. It's already hot as hell. Like, crazy hot. I don't even know where a thermometer is, but it's hot. It's probably only like 20 degrees, but in that sun, like, look at the sky, it's blue. It's hot. Gotta get in between the cracks. Make a big mess, you know? It's fun. And wait for the compressor to fill up again. Woohoo! Hope everybody's having a great day. I'll be back. Nope.
You turn the music down?
Yeah, well, I'll just pause it for a second. It. Okay, that's the old stuff. That's the new. Looking pretty good, eh? I don't know how burnt I am. Probably pretty burnt. It's pretty hot out. Took a bottle of water. Drink a beer. Oh, missed that. It's freaking hot though, guys. Still have lots to do though. But all down there, I gotta clean that, and then I'm gonna do that tomorrow. But yeah, I don't know if you guys are enjoying this video. Like and subscribe, because yeah, if you want your deck stained, holler at me, because I stain decks. Pretty easy. Anybody could do it. It's just hot. Makes it hard. Okay, I'll be back in a bit. I will keep you guys updated. Take another good look at it. There you go, guys. It's freshly stained. I built that today. What do you guys think? Nicely stained. And I gotta tackle that. Like, that's the difference. That and that. That to that. It's wild. So, yeah. I'm gonna continue this video on tomorrow and show you some more progress of what's getting done. So yeah, I'm full, tired, hot. I got a sunburn. Yeah, it's wild. That's what happens when it's 30 degrees out. It's hot. Anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow. Guys, day 2 of the deck. I had to clear it off. Me and Anna picked up that big ass pot right there. That was heavy. That was like 100 pounds. And now I'm just spraying like I was yesterday. On a spot to sit up. Real quick time lapse. Hope everybody's having a great day. You too. If you can see it. It's not really light for you to see. I know I'm fat. Don't judge me. That was my burn from yesterday. Pretty bad, eh? Anyways, I'm gonna get to work. Do some of this. I'll come back to you when I actually start staining. There, now you can see the difference. It's coming along so far. It's not as hot as it was yesterday. It's kind of cloudy, but it's still hot. It's muggy. Still dripping sweat. I don't know if you can see it. It's pretty gnarly. What do you guys think? Let me know if you like it. It's not my favorite color. It looks gross as it's going on, but it's nicer as it comes. You can see the difference between that and that. It's pretty wild. Yeah, just chilling, just painting away. Hope everybody's having a great day. Hope you're enjoying this video. I know it's kind of weird. Hope you're staying hydrated. I can't even get it up the straw. Anyways, leave a comment down below. Oh yeah, I'm getting a new camera soon, so the content will be very consistent and better quality, so look out for that. I'll do an unboxing video when I get my camera. And yeah, anyways, I'm gonna continue and I'll keep you updated on as I start making progress. All right guys, tell me what you think in the comments below. If you like it or not. I know it's been a couple hours since the last time. What do you guys think? It's not completely done. I still got a little bit left to do, but then I still got to do down there. But it's pretty close to being done. Just might have to leave on until tomorrow because then I'll completely finish it. I just rolled it out. It's just getting too hot for me. We'll just leave it on one more day, and then I'm gonna do these top railings again to give it some spice. Probably do that little side spot if I have enough paint. But yeah, what do you think? Let me know. If you like my little construction vlog, then do like and subscribe. Tell me if you want to see it more often. Alright. What's going on, guys? Should be done today. Just got the ramp to do and top railings, and then should be all fine and dandy. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video or enjoying this. Like and subscribe. Probably not gonna do any more time lapses. Probably just pick it up when I'm pretty much done. Holla. My dumbass was blowing the air blower thingy, and yeah, all the way up my leg, all over my foot, all over. Oh, dumbass. Now I'm sweating, I'm hot, and I'm definitely gonna have to change. It went right in my eye. It hurt. Yeah, I'm having fun. Alright. Just had to tell you guys that because it was funny. I wish I actually got it on camera, but nope. Alright. Let's try this again. Take 2. What do you guys think of the deck? This is how you restore a deck. I did that in the last video too. Not like this though. Let me know what you guys think. If you would hire me to refurbish your deck. Refurbish? Why do I keep saying that? Restore. Jesus. What do you guys think? Look good? If you like it, leave a like. Leave a comment. Let me know what you didn't like. Look at that. You'll see before and after pictures in the thumbnail and throughout the video, basically. So, obviously you've seen it. So, if you're here at this clip, anyways, probably gonna call the video there. So if you guys enjoyed this video, just leave a like and subscribe. Like I said, I'm getting a new camera. Quality's gonna be better. Quality's gonna be fire. You'll like it. Won't be so shaky. Just kidding. But yeah, probably gonna go eat something and do a little bit more little touch-ups that I need to do. And yeah, until the next video, peace. Stay weird, be weird, live weird.